Hi everyone! So today I'll be sharing with you why I love doing yoga over any other form of physical activities. So number one, for yoga, we don't need any other fancy equipments. We just need our body. So during the lockdown period, I saw so many of my friends who used to go to the gym for workout. They had to stop it, especially for those who did not have those fancy equipments at home. And what incredible thing I saw with my yogi friends is that their time that they used to give to yoga just doubled. Why? Because they just needed their body and a yoga mat and a nice quiet place at their home. And sometimes you don't need any fancy yoga mat or fancy clothes to do yoga. The Rishi Munis in the ancient time, the saints that used to do yoga, they never had a yoga mat, a fancy mat, and they never had any fancy piece of cloth on their body to show others that how easily they can do yoga poses. So you actually do not need any other thing, just your body to do yoga. So second point is why I love yoga, because it works on all the seen and the unseen parts of our body. Anything that you see, yoga poses are there which can work on any seen parts of your body. So yoga works on your internal organs amazingly. Have you ever gone to the gym and the instructor is telling you that today we are going to work on our stomach, or today we are going to work on our intestines? No, right? In yoga, we have so many twisting asanas that directly work on the area below our neck and above our legs. So this part is so important to work on, because in our day-to-day life, we usually use our hands to do things, big things. So mostly our hands are very active, or we use our legs, but we never use the area below the neck and above our legs. So this area is completely ignored during our day-to-day life. And also there are yoga asanas that work on your cardiovascular system, your respiratory system, your hormonal system, and so much more. So yoga does not just work on your external body, it also helps to balance your internal body, your internal organs, which is so important for your healthy lifestyle. So other than yoga poses, yoga asanas, there are so many different pranayamas and kriyas that work on your digestive organs, your eyes. Pranayama helps with your lungs, increase your lung capacity, helps with your strength of your intercostal muscles. Kriyas like Mukha and Agnisara works directly on your abdominal organs, stomach, digestive organs like small and large intestine, and it helps to increase your metabolism and your digestive fires. Number 3 is because yoga can be done by any age group. So yoga is so diverse, starting from yoga therapy, yoga flow, hatha yoga, pranayama techniques, kriyas, and meditation, that yoga is for all the age group. And personally, I know this because I have clients ranging from age 6 to age 80, and I see how many different things I can do with them depending on their body, whatever is comfortable and suits their body. So if you are living in this body, you can do yoga. So number 4 is yoga helps me to connect with my breath. Unlike any other form of exercise where I'm too much focused on what am I doing, in yoga, especially in hatha yoga, when we hold the poses, it gives me time to be aware of not just the muscles and the part of the body I'm using in that pose, but it also gives me time to breathe into the pose and be aware of my breathing, and help me increase my inhalations and exhalations. So number 5 is yoga helps me bring balance in my body. Yoga comes from the word yuj, which means union. union of our mind, body, breath, and soul. So, what I have experienced personally is yoga brings my mind, body, and breath back to balance. When do you know that any of these is out of balance? When you feel anxiety, tension, breathlessness, body pains, you can experience all of this in your body. You know that your body is out of balance, your mind is out of balance. Why? Because as a kid, we did not have all these problems. But as we grew and started working in the society, we got all these issues. The word yoga is just an umbrella. There are so many different forms of tools and techniques under yoga that combination of those tools, you can get a balanced mind, body, and breath, and you can have a fulfilled and happy life. So if you want to experience all of this, join me in my online classes. DM me, send me a message, don't hesitate, and I take classes online every day on Zoom. You can join me in this yoga journey and start your yoga journey. My specialty is to make people hook onto yoga, especially beginners. So if you are a beginner and don't know where to start, you can join my online classes and hooked onto yoga. Also, you can visit my YouTube channel, and I have various YouTube videos on thyroid, back pain, neck and shoulders, and especially women's health like PCOD, PCOS. I have made the videos on that. So you can do those videos at the comfort of your homes at your own pace. My YouTube link is in my bio of my Instagram profile. If you can't find the specific video that you need to practice, you can always message me on Instagram or Facebook, or just type in the comment section below. I'll message you right away. Also, if you have done any videos with me or from my YouTube channel, please let me know how it felt after the class, and write in the comment section below. Also, if you think anybody from your friend and family need to know about this, more information on yoga, then please share this video with them. Thank you. Namaste.